Touch your nose, an easy guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and simple English phrase, touch your nose. This phrase is not just about the words, but also about the action it describes. Let's dive in and learn together. Touch your nose is a simple instructional phrase composed of two parts: the verb, touch, and the noun, nose. The verb, touch, means to make physical contact with something, using any part of your body. The noun, nose, refers to the part of the face that is used for smelling. Together, they form a clear, direct command. This phrase is commonly used in different scenarios. 1. Teaching body parts. It's a great way to teach children or language learners about different body parts. 2. Following instructions. This phrase can be used in activities that require following simple commands. 3. Playing games. It's often used in games like Simon Says, where players must quickly respond to commands. To perform the action, simply extend your finger and gently press it against your nose. There are several variations of this phrase that can be used to refer to different body parts. For example, touch your ears, touch your eyes. These variations follow the same structure: the verb, touch, followed by a body part. In some cultures, touching certain body parts can be considered impolite. However, in an educational context, phrases like touch your nose are generally seen as harmless and are widely used for learning purposes. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, touch your nose. We hope this video has been informative and fun for you. Keep practicing, and don't forget to explore other similar phrases to expand your English vocabulary. See you in our next video.